The most common filling material for down jackets is either natural feathers or synthetic fibers. Once the down is chosen, the garment piece is prepared by creating an opening or a cavity where the filling can be inserted. The filling is prepared by cleaning it and making sure it is free of any debris or contaminants. One concern is broken needles. They can cause injury to consumers, particularly to children. Needle detection is done to check whether there are any broken needles in the down fill or garments during the manufacturing process. Broken needles can be caused by numerous reasons such as overusage, fabric being too thick, or incorrect sewing machine settings. We here at Quang Tam put all of our jackets through a metal detector, as you can see in the video, to find and remove broken needles.